Hello dear students, I am Ankit Sultania. Today I am going to start the second class of class 8th computer science of chapter 1st. The first chapter is networking concepts. You can also write down notes from this video. In previous video, I have already explained about network, a computer network and need for computer networks. Now the next point is types of computer networks. There are mainly three types of computer networks: LAN, local area network; MAN, metropolitan area network; and WAN, wide area network. As you all are the students of class 8, you have to study about the types of network in detail. In detail, there are five types of computer network. These are: the first one is personal area network, the second one is local area network, the third one is campus area network, the fourth one is metropolitan area network, and the fifth one is wide area network. Now I will explain each type of network one by one in details. The first one is PAN, personal area network. You can also write down notes from this video. A PAN is a computer network organized around a person. It is used for communication between devices such as phones, personal digital assistants, printers, and laptops that are in close proximity. We can use these networks to transfer files and photos between the various devices. In other words, a PAN is a computer network which is organized around us personally. As in real life, we in our daily activity, as we share many files from one mobile phone to another by using different equipments such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. This is the example of personal area network. We can also say, as we access our television with the help of remote, we increase the volumes of TV, we change the different channels in TV. This can be done by the network, and this one is also the example of personal area network. You can also see from the picture. Now the next point is local area network. A LAN is a computer network that is limited to a local area such as laboratory, a school, or an office building. Cables or low power radio waves are used for the connection in a LAN. A wireless LAN is also sometimes called LAN. In other words, a LAN is a type of network which is spread in a limited area such as a, in an office, a building where many different computer systems are connected to each other in order to share information or resources. These are the examples of LAN. You can also see in this picture. Now the next point is campus area network. A CAN is a computer network that connects multiple LANs in a limited geographical area. A CAN is smaller than a wide area network or metropolitan area network. It can be set up by a college, company, and so on. In other words, a CAN is a campus area network. It is a network that connects multiple LANs, such as there is a big company in which there are two buildings which are connected through LANs, and these two buildings are connected through a network. This is the example of campus area network. Two different campus which are already connected inside through a network, and these two campus are also connected to each other. This one is also the example of campus area network. Now the next point is MAN. MAN stands for metropolitan area network. It is a computer network that usually covers a larger area than a LAN. For example, a network that connects two offices in a city or neighborhood area, and so on. In other words, we can also say a manager network which is spread over the entire city. The example of MAN is just like cable network through which entire city are connected, through which all the city watches TV by connecting through a cable network. And the mobile network is also the example of MAN, metropolitan area network. There is a mobile network which provides network to the mobile phone to the entire city. This one is also the example of WAN. Now the next point is WAN, wide area network. A WAN is a computer network that spans a wide geographical area. A WAN may be spread across cities, countries, and continents. A WAN is formed by connecting LANs and MANs, computers or networks across long distances are usually connected with optical fiber cables, satellite radio links, or microwave radio links. In other words, we can say a WAN is a type of network which is spread over entire country, continents, or entire world. The best example of WAN is internet, as we can share any information or communicate with each other all over the country, not only all over the country, all over the world through the network. So internet is the best example of WAN. Today, what we studied? Today we studied the types of network. Now in the next class, we will learn about network topology. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have learned, and you may write down notes from this video. Thank you.